In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Microsoft account from your Windows 11 device in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to make this switch for privacy reasons or simply want to regain some control over your PC, we've got you covered. Let's walk through the process, step by step, making sure it's as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Start button. You'll find this in the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and give it a click. Once you're in the Start menu, look for the Settings icon, which resembles a little gear. Click on it, and you'll be taken into the Settings panel of your Windows 11 system. From here, you'll want to find the Accounts section. This is where you manage all things related to user profiles on your device. Once you locate Accounts, click on it to open up more options. In the Accounts section, you'll see a tab labeled Your Info. Go ahead and click on that tab. This section will show you all the details pertaining to your Microsoft account and other relevant information linked to your device. Now, in order to remove your Microsoft account, you'll need to navigate to the Account settings within the Your Info tab. This might seem a bit redundant, but bear with me as it leads us to the pivotal point in our process. Once you're in the Account settings, look for the option that says, Sign in with a local account instead. This button is crucial, as it allows you to replace your Microsoft account with a local account. Once you click this option, Windows will prompt you for confirmation. This is to ensure that you indeed want to proceed with this transition. Simply confirm your intention by following the on-screen instructions. With that confirmation out of the way, move on by clicking Next. Here, you'll be asked to enter your Windows security PIN. This step is necessary to maintain the security of your account and system. After entering your PIN, you'll be prompted to input your local account information. This includes a username, password, and a hint to help you remember your password in the future. Once that's all inputted, hit Next again. Windows will guide you to sign out of your Microsoft account and finish up the process. And there you have it. You've successfully transitioned from a Microsoft account to a local account on your Windows 11 device. You've now taken an important step in customizing your user experience, and you're all set to enjoy your PC with a little more privacy and independence. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next one.